Hello and welcome. We're about to kick off the course, Leading AI-Driven Transformation. And in this quick explainer, we're going to introduce the very first module. So this module is called AI Strategies for Customer-Facing Operations. And really, what we're going to do here is explore how AI is completely changing the game when it comes to how businesses interact with their customers.
All right, so let's get a high-level look at the key topics you'll be diving into.
The main idea here is to look past the technology itself. We're really going to be focusing on the why, how you can strategically use AI to build amazing customer experiences that actually drive business results. First step, we'll start by looking at the core AI applications. Think of these as the essential tools that are right at the forefront of customer engagement today. We'll cover tools you've probably heard of, like chatbots and virtual assistants, but we'll look at them from a strategic angle. We're also going to dive into how AI is the engine behind personalization and recommendation systems, how predictive analytics is transforming sales and CRM, and, of course, the growing importance of voice and conversational AI. But just knowing about the tools is only half the battle. So next, we're going to shift our focus to strategic implementation. Basically, how do you take these great ideas from a plan on paper and make them work in the real world? And this means we've got to look way beyond just the technology. We're going to tackle some really crucial questions, like what are the ethical and strategic issues you need to think about? How can you tell if your organization is even ready for AI? And what does a really solid data strategy look like in practice? And that brings us to the final and maybe the most critical piece of the puzzle. How do you actually measure the value and the impact of these AI initiatives? Because here's the bottom line. It's not enough to just roll out some new AI. You have to be able to draw a straight line from what it does to real business outcomes. We'll show you how to connect things like chatbots and personalization directly to key metrics like customer satisfaction, conversion rates, and that all-important customer loyalty. So, when you put it all together, by the end of this module, you'll have a really clear framework for how to use AI to build a customer-centric strategy, improve your operations, and deliver real, tangible business value. And that's our quick look at the module on AI strategies for customer-facing operations. We're really looking forward to diving into all these topics with you.